Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. Now, Sunday mornings I just sleep in. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at the God I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the bar. I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill. I threw the day old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made, memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals. Pulled the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mum, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up, but I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home.
Ano ang ano? Ano ang kanding?
Goat. Dirty na, Mir! Ay! Kasi maglagpok ang ulo mo daw sa semento para makahigda ka, ma-out balance ka. Lumangihi ka na? Cup noodles. Mo lang to? Tubig to. Ah. Nami gadi ka kamera ko.
Hintay yun. Isa sa ilong ko na.
Hindi ka na?
Hindi ako katingin talaga.
Ay, mama mo, hindi ka na?
Lumang pala tong strong.
Oo. Gamay-gamay mo lang inom niya. Kana lang. Nagainom ka makabulong mo tanan?
Lambo to day kuka ang
Nagainom ka tanan kay ibulong mo? Mga lusartan mo? Huwag ka man gainom tubig.
Nung ang kondo. Ha?
Tubig mo.
Boy.
Dali lang. Tapos dayan siya. Ay, di. I-ano na siya. Okay. Ang iasaan ay kaliwa tayo nga, Tel. Kaliwa. Kaliwa. Ang ulo mo. Oh. Ulo. Hindi siya kasaka. Nandahan lang, madunlan ka. Huli pa si Cyril. Maya. At least makapahuway si tatay. Sabi niya nga, nung pag-antos. Nabawasan na pag-antos. Ano na lang ang sipon mo? Ang antos niya. Kailangan niya i-voice out yan. Kasi sa hospital mo lang, nakita mo lang. Labas mo lang.